Hey guys, by now I'm kind of expecting that you guys already know this, but I do think it's important for me to kind of point out some of these things that have changed drastically. So if you guys didn't get the email, this is going to be kind of groundbreaking. I'm sure that because some of you got the email, or if not all of you got the email, that then you guys started talking about it. It's also been all over the news. Everyone's kind of, going crazy over it. And I will say, if there was ever a time to get a 5, like, this is your time, because they've changed it in such dramatic ways. All right, so let's go through. You'll probably just hear me. I don't think that there's a point of me being like staring at you while I explain these updates. But if you want to listen, if you know all this stuff, you can just, stop the video. I'm not going to check that you watch this video. I won't be upset. I'm not going to look at how many views I have and be like, I can tell, Jeremy, you didn't watch that. I'm not going to be upset. Like I said, also some of you already reached out, what does this mean? And so, or happy, just yay, having a big celebration. I don't know. All right, so let's talk about them. You guys will also see too, I just posted a link at the bottom, which will be essentially when we were done, all we were going to do is practice free response questions. So I just kind of put that link at the bottom here. So if you guys want that, that's great. If you don't want that, ignore it. I'm going to go through all of those things with you as we review. Okay. All right, so another way that this is changing is that this will be conducted online in 45 minutes, and it will only include free response questions. So that's kind of unique. Then they also had this idea that some students may want to take the exam sooner rather than later, especially for, macro. That might actually make sense. If some of you were like, oh my God, we only ended macro 2 months ago. I still have that in my head. In 2 months, who knows where that knowledge will go, especially while I'm, sitting in quarantine. But again, other students might want more time to practice. So, some of these things are just incredible. But again, there's going to be 2 different testing dates. Which is going to be really awesome. So if there might be a soon macro date and then a late macro date and then a soon micro date and a late, and especially because they don't know what teachers taught what when. Again, I know some schools like Syosset, they teach it every other day. But for people like us, where we finished macro, and then for them, not finishing, one of those other ones, I don't know. But anyway, then I thought that this was interesting too, that the exam questions will only cover, and then you guys see that it's only going to be units 1 through 5 in macro and units 1 through 5 in micro, which is just crazy. It's kind of a big deal. So we're going to leave those things out. Which is, it's kind of unfortunate because, again, we spent time doing it. But, again, I still think that you guys found it valuable. In this case, this was your foreign exchange market. So, I don't. So, I also, all right, I'll get into it on the next slide. But this is, again, it's crazy. Super, super crazy. But then, like I said, I'm trying to think of it as a positive. I'm trying to think of it as a benefit for you guys. So hopefully you guys will be even more successful because it's so specified. And maybe, me making you guys do all those different graphs wasn't the worst thing in the world. All right, next slide. Okay, so cool things that they're doing. Beginning Wednesday, March 25th, as I cross it out, students and teachers can attend free live AP review courses delivered by AP teachers from across the country. They didn't ask me. I can't believe it. How rude. They did not do that, but you guys are able, please, I will not be insulted. I won't be upset. So if you guys wanted to go and do that, again, you guys see, it says designed to be alongside the work, not instead of the work done by me. It's going to be recorded and available on demand. It will review focusing on the skills from the concept from the first 75% of the course. And then there will be some supplementary lessons, including topics from the final 25% of the course for any of you who were interested, especially if you're going to be an econ major and you're going to, a business school or something like that, or a school of economics or something, and you really want to have that knowledge. I don't think that's a terrible idea. And I will, a couple of you actually have asked, yes, if anyone wants, I will continue. If you want your Unit 6 stuff, especially, so you can stay ahead when you're in college. I don't blame you. And it gives me something to do, because just like Gio says 18 times a day, I'm bored. I get very bored too. I've cleaned almost every closet in my house. All right. So I don't have all the answers. I wish I did. I definitely don't. We are going to get a lot more information on April 3rd. So that's going to be it's going to be a big day. All right, so they're going to give us the specific free response question types. I don't know what that means. I don't know if they're actually going to say, we're going to question you about a perfectly competitive firm. We're going to ask you about an economy in a recessionary gap. I genuinely don't know. So the fact that they say specific free response, I'm hopeful. We're also going to get the full exam schedule, so this will give us our dates, which will also be important. And then I guess additional, testing details. So we're going to know so much more then, and it's not that far away. It gives me something to look forward to, strangely, in this unique time. And then, like I said, I still have that link for you guys on the bottom if you guys wanted to go and look at some past ones. You guys are going to see, I'm not going to focus then. I'm not going to give you guys tons of multiple choice questions if all we're going to have to do is free response. Because I want to make sure that you guys feel as prepared for this. And if there were any of you that were I don't really care about this test. This test isn't important. I have no idea why I sound like a weird Californian. But some of you guys really like that Californians on SNL. So maybe you guys are into that. Maybe I'll talk like that more. I'd just say now, if ever, was the time to get the 5. Just saying. In all your classes. So if you were it doesn't matter, my school doesn't take blah, 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 make it your priority. Because this is a gift. So let's try to make the most of it. All right? Again, this doesn't count for anything if you don't watch this. Again, I'm not upset. But hopefully this gives you guys a little bit more. And on April 3rd, if not April 4th, we'll go and discuss further and then see where that takes us. All right, guys, I'll see you in the actual lesson for today.